Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be crocheting this very simple, very easy, very pretty little coaster, and it's designed as a flower. It's very simple, very easy, and it's very pretty. So we're gonna have fun making this for today's tutorial. Okay, to crochet our coaster, we're going to need our hook, and I'm using a 3.5 millimeter, and of course your yarn in whatever color you want to use. Okay, we're going to start with a magic ring, and into your magic ring put a chain 3, and this chain 3 counts as your first double crochet. And we're going to add 15 more double crochets into this magic ring, so that's a total of 16 double crochet. So we're going to put 15 more double crochet, that's 1, and I'm going to add 14 more double crochet, and I will be back. Okay, so I've done 15 more double crochets already, and I'm going to count it just to make sure I have a total of 16 double crochets all together. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, now I'm going to pull it tight to close the loop, and I'm going to slip stitch to the top of the chain 3 from the beginning of the round. And that is our first round. Okay, for our second round, we are going to put a double crochet and a chain space into each of the stitch from the previous round. So for our first stitch, we're going to do chain 3. That counts as our first double crochet, and we're going to chain once for our chain space, so that's 4 chains, and then double crochet into the next chain at next stitch, and then we're going to chain 1 again and double crochet into the very next stitch, and repeat, chain, double crochet into the next stitch, and you're going to do that all the way until you come back to the beginning of the round or to the end of the round. Okay, so I've come to the end of the round, and I'm going to finish by putting a double crochet in the last stitch, and then I'm going to chain 1 and slip stitch to the top of the chain 3 from the beginning of the round. And that is the end of round 2. Okay, for round 3, we are going to put 1 double crochet right on top of the double crochet from the previous round, and 2 double crochets in the chain 1 space. So we'll start the new round by chaining 3. That counts as your first double crochet on top of a double crochet from the previous round, and we're going to do 2 double crochets in this chain 1 space. So that's 1, 2. Can then continue on top of this double crochet from the previous round, put 1 double crochet on top of it, and again 2 double crochets into the chain 1 space. And you'll just continue this all the way for this round. So 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet in this chain space, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet in chain space, and I'll see you at the end of the round. Okay, so I'm at the end of the round, and I'm going to put my last 2 double crochets in my chain 1 space, and I'm going to slip stitch to the top of the chain 3 in the beginning of the round, and that is the end of my 3rd round. Okay, for my 4th round, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with a chain 4, and I'm going to count 2 stitches. The next 2 stitches, skip the next 2 stitches, so 1, 1, 2, and then I'm going to single crochet into the 3rd stitch away. And then next I'm going to chain 3 this time, and again skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and single crochet into the 3rd stitch. And I'm going to repeat that, chain 4, skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and into my 3rd stitch I'll single crochet and chain 3, skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and single crochet into my 3rd stitch. And I'm just going to repeat that all the way until I reach the end of my round. Okay, I've come to the end of my round, and I'm going to finish by chaining 3 and slip stitching into the base of the chain 4 from the beginning. Okay, to start our 5th and final round, I'm going to slip stitch into the chain 4 space, and I'm going to chain 3, which counts as our first double crochet, and I'm going to put 6 more double crochets into this chain 4 space. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 chains plus 6 double crochet, that's 7 double crochet into my chain 4 space, and I'm going to do 1 single crochet into this chain 3 space, and I'm going to continue again into every chain 4 space. I'm going to put 7 double crochet into every chain 3 space. I'm going to put 1 single crochet, and I'm going to repeat this pattern all the way until I get to the end of my round. Okay, so I've come to the end of the round, and in my last chain 3 space I'm going to put a single crochet, and I'm going to slip stitch to the top of the chain 3 from the beginning of my round. And I'm going to cut this off, leave a long tail, so I'm going to sew in. And hide it in the back, just like that. Cut off the ends, and this one I'm going to tighten it by pulling the string tight, And you see it's tightening it for me. Cut off this tail, and there you have it. There is your coaster. Works like a charm. And obviously you can put it in whatever color you want. You can also do the etchings in different colors, so it'll come out pretty. And yeah, have fun with it. But this is the basic pattern. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe to support my small growing channel. Thank you, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.